Akala mo minus points sa buhay ang word na negative pero sa word exam, bigla kang iyak kasi reward pala answer sheet mo. Ano daw? Alright, now let's have our left review. And today, our topic is negative reinforcement. This is from professional education, child and adolescent development. Main idea tested. Reinforcement always increases a target behavior while punishment always decreases a behavior regardless of the words positive or negative. Okay? Brief history. Beef Skinner created operant conditioning using rats in a box to show how consequences manipulate human behavior without reading your feelings. All right. And I know that you're familiar with this one, this kind of experiment. Okay? Because nag-review na kayo and I'm sure na-review nyo na mga to. And dito sa mga videos ko, i-upload ko yung mga traps na kailangan alam mo na bago pa yung exam mo. Okay? Yung mga awareness na dapat alam mo. Kasi hindi sapat yung marami ka lang alam. Marami kang na-memorize. Pero isang word lang pala yung bibitan sa score mo. Okay? Question. Teacher Mara wants her student to stop submitting late homework. She tells them that if everyone submits on time on Friday, she will remove the weekend assignment. What behavioral technique is Teacher Mara using? Is it A, positive punishment because she is giving a reward to stop a bad habit? B, negative reinforcement because she's removing an unwanted task to increase on-time submission? C, negative punishment because she is taking away an assignment from the class. D, positive reinforcement because weekend assignments are naturally good for students. Ano mga sagot niyo? Alright. Correct answer is B. Teacher Mara wants to increase the good behavior of submitting on time, so that automatically means reinforcement. Okay? Increase the good behavior, that means reinforcement. Reinforcement. Okay? She does this by taking away the annoying weekend assignment, which makes it negative. Put them together and you get negative reinforcement. In this situation, what Teacher Mara does was negative reinforcement. Okay? Negative reinforcement is this. We have here two terms. Okay, we have two terms here. The negative and the reinforcement. Pag sinabing reinforcement, to increase the good behavior, right? When we say negative, to remove, to take away something. Okay? So for you to reinforce the good behavior of the learner, you have to remove annoying activities. Okay? Ni-reinforce, gusto ni Teacher Mara na i-reinforce yung students. By the way of what? By the way of removing the weekend assignments. At dahil tinanggal niya yung annoying na yun, yung weekend assignment na yun, ma-re-reinforce ngayon yung mga students mo. Mas gaganahan silang mag-submit ng homework on time. Okay? Which is the good behavior. So, na-reinforce mo yung good behavior ng mga bata kasi may tinanggal ka na annoying. And tinanggal mo yon, bakit? Kasi trip mong i-reinforce yung mga bata. So that is called negative reinforcement. Negative, may tinanggal ka. Reinforcement to increase the good behavior. So that is called negative reinforcement. So that's why B is the correct answer. Ito na yung sinasabi ko. Ito yung mga traps na magpapaligwak sa iyo. Okay, alam mo na. Akala mo tama, pero mali. Moment. Akala ng buong barangay na kapag may tinanggal na bagay o kapag may salitang negative ay automatic punishment agad. Aha! Why wrong choices feel right at first glance? It's because your brain sees the word remove or take away and immediately screams punishment because taking away sounds like a penalty. Okay? All right. Classic trap. Assumption. Assuming negative means bad or evil, while positive means good or happy. Final funny deceptive reasoning. You thought she was the teacher. She was punishing them with minus tasks, but she was actually setting them free so they submit faster next time. Why others fail? Option A tayo. Bakit mali? A. It looks correct because she is dealing with a bad habit of late submission. But it is wrong because positive means adding something unpleasant and she did not add anything extra, right? Option C. It looks correct because she took away the weekend assignment. But it is wrong because punishment aims to decrease a behavior, while teacher Mara wants to increase on-time submissions. It looks correct because the student felt happy and rewarded, but it is wrong because positive requires adding a stimulus, not removing a burden. Okay? Summary of terms tayo for today. So the summaries that we have encountered here are reinforcement, okay, reinforcement, punishment, negative reinforcement, positive punishment. Now, what are they? So let's elaborate what they are. Example, giving chocolate or taking away chores to make a student study more, that is reinforcement, okay? Tip off, always increases or maintains a target behavior. Okay, itong word na reinforcement, okay, I just want it to stick in your mind. Kasi pag sinasabi nating reinforcement, it is to increase or give some assistance, support, okay? So, for example, sa isang giyera, tatlo na lang kayo out of 20 soldiers. Okay, then tatlo na lang kayo natira. Ngayon, kailangan nyo ng reinforcement to accomplish your mission. That's reinforcement. In other words, alalay siya. Giving extra detention or giving extra annoying. Okay? Yung punishment nga eh. May punishment pang nagugustuhan. Diba? Pagka nagka-death punishment, saya ba yun? Hindi. Okay? Just for example. So, confiscating phones is an example too. To what? To stop noise. So, tip off. Sinabing punishment, it always decreases or eliminates an unwanted behavior. So, kailangan may punish yung isang tao. Hindi lang naman ito tungkol sa kasi yung the word na punishment is broad. Okay? And if we apply it in a classroom scenario, may mga bata kasi na hindi maganda yung behavior. Positive punishment. Example, adding 5 extra pages of essay because the class was shouting. Tip off. Adding an unpleasant stimulus to decrease bad behavior. Bawa, magulo yung classroom. May learner na nag-shout. So, dadagdagan mo ng unpleasant kasi may isip ng bata na, hindi ko na to gagawin next time kasi mahihirapan lang ako. Ganun yung vibe, okay? And may other terms pa rito, negative punishment. So, say negative punishment to punish a student, may tatanggalin ka, okay? It's simple as that, okay? You don't have to think a lot. Just analyze the logic behind every term. Morphology is very important. Awareness, everybody. The let is testing if you can ignore basic English. Okay. Emotional vibes and strictly follow scientific definitions, where positive means addition and negative means subtraction. Quick elimination strategy. Pag nakita mo nga to, tanggalin mo na agad. Elimination method, right? Kasi kung 4 pa lang yung options, so yung chance mo lang doon is 25%, right? So tanggalin mo muna yung mga sigurado kang kabog. Yung sigurado kang nonsense, tanggalin mo yung dalawa. Hanggang sa dalawa na lang yung natirang option. At least ngayon, pag dalawa na lang sila, may 50% chance of winning. Chance of getting correct answer, right? So, saan ka? Sa 25% na chance o sa 50% na chance? Oh. So, remember, first, look at the goal of the teacher. And this works most commonly in professional education question. If the goal is to increase a good habit, cross out all punishment options instantly. Okay? Next, check the action. If an annoying task is removed, choose negative reinforcement immediately. Immediately. All right, that's all for today. I hope nakatulong. And see you in the next one. Good luck, everyone.